Humans believe in destiny.
I need coin, peace, and quiet.
What did I miss?
5 attacks on divers in the last few months and no one's held to account.
We have a monster problem off our shore, and a monster hunter in our midst.
Witcher, your services are required.
Why are you following us?
We're on the verge of war. I want to help.
It takes bravery to stand against a crowd.
I could sense there was something between you two. We only came to this town to avoid running into you-know-who again. You need someone like Essie.
I found it wise not to trust others.
We've had peace for too many tides to have it end now.
If one